Hi, my name is Dan. I'm with LED4RV and TRV Parts, and I want to do a short video about how to get a light down that I keep getting asked about, and it's this light right here. It's commonly referred to as a puck light because it looks like a hockey puck. But anyway, it's completely seamless as it would appear until you get to looking at it a little closer. But what the problem is that whenever the component in here goes bad, you need to get in here, and people just can't figure out how to get into it, and they're afraid they're going to break it. So how you get into this light is, and I like to use a plastic tool that I make so it won't scar the light. But anyway, like I said, getting into that first ring is really not going to help you much. Getting into the second ring right here is where you need to go. Now once you prise into it, the light comes apart like so, and of course you'll see right here where there's little holes. That's where the screws go that mount that up, and essentially that's what holds it underneath the cabinet, and of course the light just pushes back into place whenever you get the light repaired or get a new one of these. So in essence, the light is held up inside that little puck frame by these little springs right here. I don't know if you can see it real well or not. So pushing it in and pushing it out doesn't hurt it. It's real strong metal. And so here are the SKUs for both bright white and warm white for this particular light. Well, good luck on getting your light apart if that's what you're trying to do. And also, I'd like to thank you for taking time to watch our video. And as always, questions, comments are welcome. Thank you.